move to the next one. So Notion AI content blogs. So these are basically they're more like templates that you can work with on Notion AI. So they help you to create templates, questions, or question templates rather, that you can reuse over time. So to access these Notion AI blogs, you need to type this / and then type AI, and then you see three of them here: summary block, there's the action item blocks, and then there's the custom AI block. So once you type that, you find them. These blocks can actually be manipulated like any other Notion block, and what this means is that they can be moved around, included in multi-column layout using template buttons and more. But let's explore some of these blocks now. So this is the custom AI blocks. So what it does is that it allows you to insert a personalized prompt or a question or anything you want to ask Notion, or a query that can be reused in database templates, buttons, or any other way you prefer. So I have an example. But I want to show you that example later on in this class. So, but then custom block, this is what it does for you. So this is an example. So I want to learn about X. X can be anything. Like I said, custom blocks actually help you create like question templates. So X can be anything. I want to learn about social media marketing. I want to learn about product marketing. I want to learn about anything. But when you create this template here and name this part X, you can continue by saying identify and share the most important 20% of learnings from this topic that will help me understand 80% of it. If we work on this now, you'll see the magic. So let's say we call Notion AI block, which is the custom AI block, and then we say I want to learn about, let's say, product management, identify and share the most important 20% of learnings from this topic that will help me understand 80% of it. Great. So what I'll do next is to add the summary block. So the summary block is basically, it actually helps you, by providing an instant summary of the content contained within the page. So let's try that now. Let's add the summary block. We'll type this and AI, summary block. We'll add it there. You can't type into the summary block. It actually summarizes the custom block. So let's add the final block we'll add is the final block we'll add is this other block, the action items block. So let's see what will happen. So when I click on generate here for this question, I click on generate, let's see what AI will do for us. Okay, product management 101. I think it's done. Yeah, so it is giving me product market management 101. Understand your users, define the problem, develop a product roadmap, prioritize features, build and test prototypes, launch and iterate, measure success, collaborate cross-functionally, stay up to date with industry trends, continuously learn and improve. So these are just the basics, and you can actually ask it to give you advanced product management courses or learnings. You can actually work with. And so let's move into the next action Notion AI block. Okay, so let's summarize this block here. If I click on generate, I have other content on this block, so that's why it's summarizing this other one here. But if I have this on a fresh page without any content, it won't give me this summary here. It will only focus on the product management content. But let me show you this other one, find action items. Yeah, so we'll actually look at this later on, and I'll show you on a fresh page so you can actually understand better. But because we have other content on this page, that's why it's giving us content that are not really relevant to what I wanted to show you. So let's move on to the next section.